Welcome back to Stuff We Love. Today we're talking about the Little Giant Leveler articulating ladder. Josh,
This is
Little Giant.
Little Giant.
What's new about this one?
If you don't know about Little Giant,
Everybody knows about Little
all right, I
Giant.
was gonna say.
Great
so
ladders.
this is their light aluminum articulating ladder.
Uh-huh.
This comes in a 17, 22, and 26 foot height. I got a 22 and a 17 here.
Okay.
Now it's really the 26 footer. You can do 43 unique configurations, but I mean everybody knows that these things conquer just about any task out there.
Yeah.
So what I want to talk about today is they have these new leveler legs in here, which are awesome. So my old classic, I had to add the legs.
Yeah.
If you take the legs off, just the classic ladder alone, this ladder with the leveler legs in it, 3 pounds lighter than the classic.
That's
a
amazing.
huge deal.
Yeah.
We're always about weight. So all you
show
do,
me. Yeah.
check this out. Put your foot on it. That's it.
Yeah, so if you're on
You want to go
uneven
taller?
ground, yeah.
Go taller. And it'll do 7+ inches of leveling off the
kidding.
leg. So check that out once.
Yeah,
Push
so
your
it's got
foot, how
this,
easy
it's
that
got
is.
this little tab
Yep.
on it. And you just
That's it.
push it down.
And then to put them down, you just tilt it up. It's in. Done. I mean, it's that easy.
Yeah, that's awesome.
They also got these cam style locks on the side.
Yeah, that's a
for
big
going
deal.
up and
That's a big
down.
deal. Yeah.
That's super huge. So, and they're so, I mean, turn it, Will. They're so lightweight to turn. You know, it's just, it's not, it's that easy. I love it.
Yeah,
so,
that's rad.
Yeah, they're super sweet ladders. I've been super pumped. They changed the design on the tread pattern, and these are Type 1A rated, so 300 pounds, which, you know, what's so impressive is the flare on the bottom of these things, how much stability you have with them. But now that they've added these ratcheting legs in the bottom, and they're actually built in, and it's 3 pounds lighter, I mean, that's awesome. Also, the wheels. The wheels is huge, Will. If you're a person
Wheels? I didn't even notice the wheels.
if you're doing some rolling around, that's it. Drag it right behind you to walk.
That's amazing.
I mean,
all right. Sweet. So where do I get it? How much?
Lowe's.
Okay, get them at Lowe's.
Lowe's, yes, these are exclusively at Lowe's. You're gonna pay $169 to $279.
Cool.
No regrets. I mean, these things.
It's a sweet ladder. I think I'm gonna go get one right now. It's the Little Giant Leveler articulating ladder. A lot of great design upgrades from the earlier models. Check it out at Lowe's. Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love. It's rad.
That is cool, isn't it?